Hi there, it's Rosie here. So I hope you can hear me okay. So often I have heard people say that there's um, so much stopping them from doing the pelvic floor work, and I think a lot of that is excuses that are being used to protect us from um, moving into emotions that we're holding on to within our pelvis. There is so much emotions, so many emotions held within our pelvis that sometimes the resistance you have from doing the pelvic floor work or to really delve in is your mind and your body's way of stopping you from feeling any more hurt from those emotions. So I think it's really important to kind of come to terms with and understand what that is all about and learning to connect in with your pelvis so that you can take that first step into doing the work. We spent we have spend a lot of the time feeling disconnected from the pelvis and everything that's contained in there, and we can hold on to a lot of emotions such as shame and grief and sadness and anger and guilt, um, and those emotions, if you think about any of those emotions, they tend to kind of draw you into a rounded position and holding in the belly and therefore holding in the tightness of the pelvic floor as well. And as we know, the pelvic floor dysfunction is linked to an over tight, over tense pelvic floor. Now you can do all the stretching and work on releasing that physically, but if you're not able to release that emotionally as well, you're not going to be able to take that step forward and to be able to help to release that tension and get back to a functioning pelvic floor. So what I thought we'd do this afternoon is just do a little quick meditation, guided relaxation, kind of starting to make a connection with your pelvic floor. So you can do this sitting or laying down. I'm going to do it sitting today because I think I might end up too relaxed and go to sleep, and that's not conducive to an interesting Facebook Live. So just bring one hand around to your belly button area and bring your other hand onto your pubic bone. Just close your eyes. Take a few minutes to start with, just connecting to your breath. Just feeling how your breath is. No judgment right now. We're just going to see what your breathing's like. Is it fast or slow? Deep or shallow? Lots of thoughts flitting through your head, maybe none at all. Okay, so let's start slowing your breathing down. So take a breath in through your nose. We'll go to the count of 4. So breathe in and breathe out. Nice, long, slow breath out. Breathe in and breathe out. Really think about as you breathe in, the ribs are expanding to allow that breath. And breathe out through your mouth. Allow that breath to be noisy, if you like. Just carry on with those long, slow breaths. Allow the thoughts to come into your mind. Just acknowledge them and let them go again. And now just bring your awareness down to your hands and what's underneath your hands. And what do you feel there? Do you feel nothing? Do you feel tense, tender? Is it warm or cold? Or no feeling at all? Are you finding it quite hard to connect to that area? No judgment, just be. Just see what the feelings you're getting. And just check in with your breath again. Has your breath got shallower and quicker again? Let's take that breath slower and deeper. And check back in under your hands. Now I just want you to visualize a white light coming down from above your head. It's just flowing into your head and past your forehead, your eyes, over your cheeks and down your throat, and moving down and coming underneath your top hand, the hand that's over your belly button. And just feel it warm there and soothing and calming. And now bringing a light up from your feet, up through your toes, your ankles, your shins, your knees and your thighs, and feel it coming in under your lower hand that's on your pubic bone. And again, feeling that warm, comforting, calming feeling. And feeling that light swirling around between your hands, to your side, to your back, all through your pelvis. Warming and releasing tension in those muscles. Calming, relaxing, beautiful warmth. And just feeling and visualizing or imagining those muscles in your pelvis and across your stomach just releasing, relaxing. Your pelvic bones opening as your muscles relax. Now let's just spend a few minutes here just feeling that warmth, that releasing, that calming, comforting feeling of that light underneath your hands. Maybe you're feeling a tingling under your hands now. Maybe you can feel some warmth in it coming alive. And just enjoy connecting in with your pelvis, your stomach. Some nice quiet time just for you. Okay, let's come back. Start to come back. Just wiggling your toes. Feeling your body becoming more awake. Being more aware of the sounds in the room. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. And just make sure that you spend a little bit of time each day just starting to connect in with your pelvis and your abdominal muscles, so you can start to get a connection back here as you're starting to work on getting some function back in your pelvic floor. So thank you for joining me on that meditation. I wish you a lovely evening and take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.